I live in North Wales. Currently in North Wales it is winter, it's very cold, and it is also dark. At the front of my house we've got a light so you can see where you're putting your key and stuff when you come home, and it had a shade on it like this. Okay, so this thing, I could fix it up, right? Obviously, bit of TLC, bit of sanding, bit of paint, it'd probably be perfectly fine. But what I would like to do is make something that fits my criteria a little bit better. Now, we keep getting Amazon deliveries and they go to the wrong house, and the reason they go to the wrong house is because it's got the same coloured door. So let's make those delivery drivers' lives easier by putting a big number on the front of it. So I'm going to light up the number so that they can see which is our house, because it's a tough gig in the middle of winter driving around estates trying to find the right house. So let's make it easy. So I'm going to make it out of wood, and I'm going to use a CNC to cut out the number, because my skills do not stretch to hand scroll cutting a number that would look anything like good. So this is Future Nick. So Future Nick now knows the CNC don't work. It is gone kaput. So we are going to move in a different direction and have a go at scroll sawing, which, you know, I've got one. I need to practice new skills. That's what it's about, trying some new things. So going to give it a try. Love it. So I've glued up my panels. I've got some panels. I've got another one just in clamps at the moment, so I've got 4. And we're going to use these panels to make a box, because everything in carpentry is a box. So I'm going to get a 45-degree mitred joint on this box, like this little version I've got here, a little practice. So yeah, I'm going to get that cut down to length and then cut the 45 degrees using my table saw. So like I said, it is winter in North Wales, so to make my epoxy resin adhesive a little bit more malleable, we are warming it up in some warm water. It's not boiling, it'd melt the plastic, that would be stupid. have we learned? Well, what we have learned is the number was not as hard as I thought it would be to make, but the windows, they were quite hard to make. I shouldn't have done them after I'd made the box, but there we go, it's all fine. I quite like the Art Deco styling, the fact that the rain runs down this clear little roof and drains out of it. That's really cool as well. So yeah, getting the Amazon deliveries, so that's good. Yeah, very pleased really. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.